If you are looking for a foolproof recipe for airy and crispy donuts, you are in the right place. Today I'm sharing with all of you my proven recipe that is quick and easy to prepare, and the final result will make you crave for a second piece. With my trick that I will show you in this video, you will always get evenly cooked and airy donuts just like from the famous bakeries. So let me show you how to make them. First, put the flour in a deep bowl and add the active dry yeast, sugar, and salt. Mix the dry ingredients well and add the whole milk, the egg, and the vegetable oil. Mix all the ingredients with a wooden spoon to start making the dough. Transfer the mixture to a lightly floured working surface. Knead until you get a soft and smooth dough. Leave the dough in a deep bowl covered with a kitchen towel for about 1 hour or until it doubles in volume. Transfer the dough to a working surface and roll it out. Using a donut cutter or a single glass, cut the donuts. Cover with the kitchen cloth and leave them to rise again for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, heat the vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Put the rice donuts into the heated oil, gently sprinkle them using metal spoon and cover them with a lid. Leave them to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, then turn them over to continue cooking for the next 2 minutes. Sprinkle each donut with the mixture of granulated sugar and cinnamon and set them aside. To make everything more enjoyable, I will fill the donuts with strawberry jam. Put the strawberry jam in a piping bag fitted with the round tip. Using a knife, make a small hole in each donut and fill the donuts with the piping bag. serve them and enjoy the taste of these delicious donuts. I am sure you will enjoy this quick recipe for airy and crispy donuts. The full list of the ingredients you will find in the description box down below. For a lot more videos coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking until the next time.